Hey everybody, this is Jaydon from Donley Ford at Ashland, here checking out a 2023 Ford Edge. All right, checking out the inside. Got cruise control on the left, hands-free phone on the right. Over here you got all your audio options, your Sirius XM connecting to your phone, anything you need. And even if you get bored waiting for somebody, you got a jigsaw puzzle. Back seat. Plenty of room here. I'm 6'1", and I sit in here comfortably. You got some plug-ins down there. You open up the back. Got plenty of room here. All right, that's the 2023 Ford Edge. If you're interested in it or any other vehicles, feel free to give me a call, or even if you just have a few questions. Give me a call at my extension. Thanks.